and I am the kitchen manager for the Divine Cupcake. So I come in every morning and I bake the gluten-free cupcakes in the morning. You have to turn on your ovens, and turn on your dishwasher, clock in. Then you get your table ready, so you pull out all your basic ingredients: baking powder, baking soda, sugar, chocolate, cocoa if you're going to need it, oil, milk. We use hemp milk and almond milk and rice milk for the gluten-free. We don't use soy milk for those. And then you make the cupcakes. You pull out your recipe book and you just follow the steps to the recipes and bake them. And then you let them cool and you frost them. I mean, everything from the bowls that we use to the ovens, the tubs that we keep them in the end, and the frosting bags. It's all important. I don't think you'd be able to create a good cupcake. And then we have merchandise as well. I mean, local artists. We have a lot of local artists that provide paintings on the walls and different items for sale. During wedding season, which is generally maybe February through August, we have brides will come in and order cupcakes for their weddings, and top cakes. We do full-size cakes as well. Well, we do some interesting weddings. And so normally our weddings are very simple. People pick colors, teal, purple, whatever. And we just try to have amazing customer service and make people very happy and fix problems when they arise.